Hello, fourth grade geographers. It's Mrs. Lamondo, and I'm back to share lesson 4 with you for our geography unit. So let me share my screen with you now. All right, lesson 4 is all about continents and oceans. So let's start off with a fun little video all about the continents.
Seven continents separated by sea and land.
I love that video. I just think it's so fun. Something you should know, right? There's 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Sometimes you will hear geographers refer to Australia as Oceania. So that's something that they sometimes do, just so you're aware of that. Also, sometimes you'll hear of Europe and Asia combined together into Eurasia, something else you might hear as well in your travels. So continents are very large land masses found on Earth. The Earth has 7 such continents. They are, from largest in size to smallest, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Australia. Asia is the world's largest and most populous continent on Earth. That means not only is Asia the largest, but it has more people on it than any other continent. So that kind of makes a lot of sense when you think about it, because it is the largest. So it has the more potential for more people to live on there. So as we've discussed, geography can change over time. This is what the world once looked like. Wow, it looks way different than it does today, because today we have 7 separate continents, and that's just one giant landmass. Pangaea, sometimes spelled Pangaea, so it can be spelled either way, was a supercontinent that existed during the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic eras. It assembled from earlier continental units approximately 300 million years ago, and it began to break apart about 175 million years ago. Now we have 7 continents instead of 1. So again, long ago when all the continents were one, That was called Pangaea. While there are 7 continents on Earth, there are only 5 oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is our largest ocean, with the Atlantic Ocean being our second largest. Remember, the Arctic Ocean is way up north near the Arctic Circle, while the Southern Ocean is in the south. So unfortunately, all across our world, we haven't been very kind to our oceans. We haven't disposed of trash properly or recycled like we should. And it's caused a huge issue for our oceans. So as we watch the video, I want you to think about why it's important for us to save our oceans and what you personally can do to help.
The Pacific Ocean has become the world's biggest landfill. Every year, approximately 14 billion pounds of trash are dumped in the ocean. Plastic constitutes 90% of all trash floating in the world's oceans. This is trash that could have been recycled. The main problem with plastic, besides there being so much of it, is that it doesn't biodegrade. Instead, plastic photodegrades into millions of tiny pieces floating forever in our seas, or ingested by marine life mistaken as plastic toxins as food. Plastic waste thus enters the food chain and ultimately works its way up the food chain to us. In total, more than 1 million birds and marine animals die each year from consuming or becoming caught in plastic and other debris. In some areas, the amount of plastic outweighs the amount of plankton, the lifeblood of the ocean, by a ratio of 6 to 1. We are literally wrapping our oceans in a layer of plastic that not only threatens marine life, but mankind as we know it. It's time to take a stand. It's time to make recycling a national law. 80% of ocean trash originates on land. Scientists who have studied the issue say that trawling the ocean for all its trash is impossible and would harm plankton and other marine life. It's simply not possible to thoroughly clean a section of the ocean that spans the area of a continent and extends 100 feet below the surface. The only solution is to stop the trash from getting into the ocean by cutting down our waste and increasing recycling programs. It comes down to managing waste on land, where most of the trash originates. Recycling programs should be expanded to accommodate more types of plastics and waste materials. A national recycling law would not only benefit our environment, but it would have a number of economic impacts as well. Economic analysis shows that recycling can generate 3 times as much revenue per ton as landfill disposal and almost 6 times as many jobs. We need a national law that expands recycling programs and requires every business and commercial site to recycle. Our kids' futures are in jeopardy. We have pushed Mother Nature to her breaking point. Now she needs our help. It's up to us to make a difference. It's up to you. Go to harvestblue.com. Sign a petition to make recycling a national law and help us protect our planet.
Wow, that was really powerful. As I was watching that, I was thinking of my own habits and what I can do. I know I tend to drink a lot of seltzer, and that comes in cans. And even though I recycle my cans, that's still adding more recycling to the earth. So I think something I could do is sometimes instead of drinking seltzer, I could drink tap water in a reusable water bottle and eliminate some of the aluminum recycling that I put into the system every single week. Today, I want you to show what you know by thinking about something you can do to help protect our oceans. If each one of us chooses just something small and manageable in our own lives, we can help protect our oceans and help eliminate more waste. That's all for this time. I will see you next time for lesson 5. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye, geographers.